All right, so got the Fox back, obviously from the last video, and we just hooked up the oil feed line. Just the feed line for now, because we got to fab up something to try to get the drain to work. But we got the feed line on. Just ran over to a little adapter on the side, and everything looks good to start up. So we're gonna give it a start.
Here we go. All right, 1 second. Gotta check a few things.
Yeah, let's just do one once over.
We gotta get this on.
Oh, that's the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, he took that off? All right, we're gonna get the ground on real quick and we'll be right back. Here we go.
Let me get all in here.
You turned on?
Where's that?
All right, you're turned on now. Hold up.
Don't have anything unplugged, do we?
Let me just do a quick once over. Looks good to me. Cam sensor's in. Crank sensor's still in. Wideband is in. Got full pressure. Turn the pump on only. Turn the key off and on. No, just like switch it, not the starter. So off and then on. Yeah, you got no fuel pressure.
So we probably had to get.
You think? Oh, you got pressure. It's only at like 10 though. I don't know if it's just the battery or it's hard to tell.
You can't even slap this one.
Nothing? No? No, already.
Yeah.
Out of gas.
Try again.
We'll be back. All right, we got gas. Round 2, I was wondering where I wasn't starting.
Well, it doesn't make any sense. Like, we didn't do anything.
All right. See what that fuel pressure looks like now. There we go. A lot better, a lot better.
Now it's all full of air.
Yeah. Whoop. No, I can't tell. Yeah, try one more time.
Let me prime it again.
Oh, no, you got plenty of fuel pressure. That is really quiet. I was very surprised on how quiet that was.
Dude, I'm sailing this thing.
That was extremely quiet. Good thing we put the rubber in a little mat there, but
I need a nitrous motor now. This thing's too quiet.
that thing is quiet. That is super duper quiet.
Wow.
Dude.
We got oil. Man.
Damn, that thing was quiet. Dude, how you feel?
It's not even that rowdy.
Dude, that was so quiet.
Damn.
Sounds crazy. Did you hear it from the outside?
You can't really hear it.
Here.
Go fire it up.
Definitely got to do a little OG.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Quiet.
Yeah, she's got oil.
Dude, that thing is super duper quiet.
It is really quiet. I don't know.
Jesus.
Man, it sounds thick though.
Dude, that is
sounds
super
thick.
quiet.
Yeah, she's wrong. We're gonna need to get a little startup tune in her.
Yeah,
She's
definitely.
still running rich as fuck.
Right.
Wow. Well, I'm impressed.
Me too. That's so quiet. Dude, in the car,
You don't hear nothing.
you could barely hear it in the car.
It's louder out here, but it's still not.
Dude, compared to before, it is night and day.
Yeah.
This thing is stone quiet.
That thing was so rowdy.
It was so loud.
Just this, the header system open.
Yeah.
Compared to this.
Dude, this is super quiet.
Wow.
Well, we just wanted to get a little fire up video for everybody, but that...
Yeah, we just wanted to hear it. We still got a lot of work to do, but it's very, it makes everything makes it worth it to get this close.
Super quiet.
Yeah, I know. It's like,
I was surprised.
that's streetable.
Yeah, that's
It's
so
100%
streetable.
streetable.
Wow.
All right. Well, let's get back to work.
Love it. Super quiet, dude. Well, that's it. Just wanted a quick little video on starting it up. But, dude, it sounds so sick. So, we're going to keep banging out videos on this thing until my car gets back. Then we're going to slowly try to creep on that Blazer. But yeah, dude, I'm hyped for this. That was a shock to me on how quiet.
Oh, for sure.
All right, see you in the next one.